Every year, a handful of travel products land that genuinely solve a real problem in a way nothing quite did before. And most of them get buried under the noise of sponsored content and recycled gear lists. This video is about the ones that deserve attention in 2026. Products that are actually new, actually useful, and mostly flying under the radar of mainstream travel coverage. Like and subscribe before we dive in, share this with someone who loves finding gear before everyone else, and let's get into it. 1. Talon Grip Compression Socks with built-in arch support. Compression socks for travel aren't new, but most of them address circulation without doing anything for foot fatigue during long walking days at a destination. Talon Grip's travel compression socks combine graduated compression from ankle to calf with a structured arch support panel built into the sole. The result is a sock that handles both the in-flight circulation concern and the post-flight full day on your feet concern in a single item. For travelers who go directly from a long flight to exploring a city, the difference between a standard compression sock and one with genuine arch support is noticeable within 2 hours of walking. Available in neutral colors and under $25 a pair. 2. Locktote Flak Sack, the cut-resistant drawstring bag. The Locktote Flak Sack is a slash-resistant RFID blocking drawstring bag made from a proprietary cut-proof material. Most anti-theft bags use conventional fabric that cuts easily. The Flak Sack applies the same woven structure as cut-resistant gloves, weighs under 400 grams, and compresses into a fist-sized pouch when empty. For urban travelers in high-risk tourist destinations, this solves the actual vulnerability rather than just adding harder-to-reach zippers. 3. Nimble Smart Luggage. Tag with NFC and QR. Nimble produces a luggage tag with an embedded NFC chip and QR code, linking to a digital profile with your contact and itinerary details. Anyone can tap to access recovery information without your home address being displayed. The profile updates in real time, so the same tag works for every trip without reprinting. At around $20, it replaces both a traditional tag and the privacy concern that comes with displaying a home address on the outside of a bag. The NFC tap functionality also logs access timestamps if the bag is handled without authorization. 4. Nomadic McKinnon Camera Pack, Modular Photography on the Move. Nomadic's collaboration with Peter McKinnon produced a camera pack that bridges dedicated photography and practical travel use. Padded camera dividers remove entirely, converting it from a camera system to a clean open day pack. One bag covers shooting days and non-shooting days without compromise. Most camera bags sacrifice travel usability for protection. The McKinnon pack doesn't. At around $300, it is premium. But for photographers who otherwise carry 2 bags, the consolidation justifies it. 5. Matador Refraction Packable Prism Jacket. Matador's Refraction Jacket packs into its own collar to baseball size, weighs 142 grams, and provides 10,000 millimeters waterproof protection without the synthetic crinkle and stiff feel of standard packable shells. The Prism Light refraction coating shifts color in different lighting, making it look nothing like an emergency rain jacket. A jacket that packs to the size of a fist and weighs under 150 grams is a genuine space win for any carry-on traveler. 6. Exter Parliament Slim Wallet with Solar Tracker Card. Exter's Parliament Wallet fans, cards with a button press and includes a Solar Tracker card, a Bluetooth tracker that charges from any light source, eliminating battery changes entirely. The hard-shell aluminum body holds 4 to 6 cards and protects against both bending and RFID skimming. The combination of slim profile, quick card access, durable protection, and a tracker that never needs charging makes this one of the most complete travel wallets available in 2026. 7. Scrubba Wash Bag, the portable washing machine. The Scrubba is a waterproof dry bag with an internal flexible washboard surface that allows users to hand wash clothing in 3 to 5 minutes using a small amount of water and soap. You add clothing, a small amount of detergent, some water, seal the bag, deflate slightly to create pressure, and then knead the bag for a few minutes. The internal washboard creates the mechanical action of a washing machine in miniature. For carry-on travelers on extended trips who do laundry in hotel sinks, the Scrubba significantly improves the cleanliness outcome compared to standard hand washing because the washboard creates actual friction rather than just soaking and squeezing. At around $55, it is niche, but for long-term travelers doing weekly laundry, it replaces both laundromat dependency and inadequate sink washing. 8. Cotopaxi Batak Backpack, B Corp, Travel Pack with lifetime warranty. The Cotopaxi Batak is a 16-liter day pack built from repurposed remnant fabrics. Each bag has a slightly different color combination because the material comes from production surplus rather than intentional dyeing. The sustainability story is genuine. Cotopaxi is a certified B Corp and donates 1% of revenue to poverty alleviation. The product delivers on practical grounds too. The Baytak is light, durable, fits under most airline seats, includes a laptop sleeve for devices up to 15 inches, and comes with a lifetime warranty that covers manufacturing defects. At around $75, the quality and lifetime warranty make it well priced, and the unique color per bag has built a genuine following. 9. BioLite Headlamp, 800 Pro, ultralight, with adaptive beam. Most travelers don't think to carry a headlamp until they need one and don't have it. Navigating a dark hostel dorm at 2 a.m., a power outage at an international hotel, a hiking path that went longer than expected, or a camping attachment at the end of a trip. The BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro weighs 64 grams, charges via USB-C, delivers 800 lumens at full power, and includes an adaptive brightness sensor that automatically adjusts output based on ambient light. At around $60, it sits above basic headlamps, but USB-C charging means no separate cable or proprietary battery. 10. AirFly Pro Bluetooth Transmitter. The AirFly Pro is a small adapter that plugs into any 3.5mm headphone jack and transmits audio wirelessly to Bluetooth headphones or earbuds. On planes with older in-seat entertainment systems that use the 3.5mm audio jack rather than Bluetooth, this device lets you use your own wireless headphones with the in-flight entertainment without a physical cable. It also works in rental cars, gym equipment, hotel room televisions, and any other audio source with a headphone output. It pairs with 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, so 2 travelers can share one source. At around $40, it solves a consistent frustration for anyone with wireless-only headphones on older aircraft. 11. Comrade Companion Socks, Compression with Merino. Comrade's companion line combines moderate compression with merino wool construction, addressing 2 separate travel concerns in one product. The compression handles circulation during long-haul flights and extended sedentary periods. The merino wool handles odor resistance, temperature regulation, and the ability to wear the same pair for multiple days without discomfort, which matters enormously for carry-on only travelers managing a limited clothing supply. Synthetic compression socks regulate temperature poorly and develop odor quickly. Merino wool does neither. At $30 per pair, the performance at that intersection makes these quietly one of the most useful products in travel gear right now. 12. Turtle Pillow Plus, scientifically supported neck support. The original Turtle Pillow changed the neck pillow category by using an internal support structure rather than a U-shaped cushion, holding the head upright from the side rather than trying to support it from behind. The Plus version adds a fully adjustable support panel that positions independently for different head sizes and preferred lean angles, making it the first neck pillow that genuinely adapts to how you actually fall asleep, rather than requiring you to sleep in a position the pillow was designed for. It weighs 148 grams, packs flat, and wears like a scarf. At $60, it is the most expensive neck pillow on the market. And for frequent long-haul travelers who have given up on every other one, it is also the first that consistently delivers what they all promised. 12 products that are genuinely new, genuinely useful, and genuinely underrepresented in the travel gear conversation. None of them made this list because of a sponsorship or because they're the most searched item in their category. They made it because they each solve a specific problem in a way that either didn't exist before or didn't exist at this quality level. The best gear is the kind that earns its space without asking for your attention until the moment you need it. Hit the like button if you found at least one thing worth looking up, subscribe for honest travel gear content every week, and share this with the traveler in your life who is always hunting for what's actually worth buying. We will see you in the next one.